Hello, welcome to UpKapp. In this video we will understand the logic behind the system and how it organises your routines. UpKapp was designed with a clear purpose: to control repetitive tasks. We brought the robustness and intelligence of industrial software to a simple interface made for small and medium-sized businesses. The goal is to eliminate mental strain, legal risks and losses caused by forgetfulness. To facilitate organisation, no matter the size of your company, UpKapp divides everything into 4 logical levels: groups, items, jobs and tasks. Let's see what each of them is, and this will help you understand the entire system. First, the groups. The groups are large categories of your company. It is the broadest way to organise what you need to control. For example, you can have a group called security, another called building maintenance, and a third called finance. To create a group, you can click on Groups and create a new one and choose a name. You can also rename an existing group. The second are items. Within each group you register the items. It's like a second level of categorization. The item is the physical or conceptual thing that needs your attention. If a group is security, your items can be the fire system, the extinguishers, the main elevator. If the group is fleet, the item can be truck 1, truck 2. You can click on the group to see all the items in that group, or you can go directly through the menu in items to see all the items from all groups. You can also filter the view of items by group, by name, in whatever way you find best. To create a new item, you click this button, choose the name, choose the group to which it will belong, and an icon to facilitate visualization. If your item is a specific piece of equipment and not a logical category, you can record some additional data about the item, such as serial number, manufacturer, model, and other information, but this is optional. Once the item is created, within these items we have jobs. This is where the intelligence of UpKapp starts to shine. The job is the repetition rule. It is the configuration of the repetitive task that needs to be done for that specific item. For example, within the fire system item, you create a job to check the validity of the extinguishers monthly. Or another job for annual leak testing. In the licenses item, you can create a job to control the renewal of each contract, or in the technology item, to remind the expiration of domains, payment of licenses, and so on. Jobs in UpKapp have features that you won't find in a regular calendar. You can set up a job based on dates or counters, like car mileage or machine usage hours. We even created a quick 5-second screen for you to update these counters without wasting time. We have specific videos showing you each of these functions. You can also activate dynamic scheduling. This means that if you delay or advance maintenance, UpKapp recalculates the next date based on the day the service was actually performed, not the original theoretical date. To view the jobs, they are displayed on the same item screen. You can duplicate a job or edit it. To create a new one, it's very simple. You click the button to add a job to that specific item. Give it a name. Define whether the control will be manual, by date or by counter. We will delve deeper into this in a specific video about jobs. Define the frequency with our AI by simply writing it in your language, annually, every Thursday, on the first Monday of each month, whatever you wish. Then finalize some configuration options and save. By doing this, the system will generate your first task. Don't miss our specific video about jobs, so you can understand every detail of these configurations to get the most out of UpKapp for you. So, once the job is created, we now have the tasks. The task is the final action. It's what the system automatically generates for you to perform, based on the repetition rules you defined in the job. When you complete a task, UpKapp creates the next task by itself, without you needing to do anything, based on the repetition settings you made in the job. So you don't get lost in a sea of tasks, we use smart status. Instead of simply listing activities by due date, our algorithm cross-references the scheduled date of the task with the importance level of that routine, considering the advance notice you configured to be alerted. This means that a critical task due in 10 days, like renewing a business license, will appear at the top of your list, above a routine task of emptying the trash bins due tomorrow. You always focus on what is truly important first, and all of this is done logically within our algorithm based on your settings, groups, items, jobs, and tasks. That's all you need to start automating the control of any routine, maintenance, or obligation of your company. Access your account and create your first group right now. And don't forget to watch our other videos.